Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make candied kumquats. They are high in vitamin C and offer some vitamin A. In medicine, in some Asian countries, the kumquats has been used to treat cold and coughs. These candied kumquats are easy to make and so delicious. It's just like candies. Let's begin by preparing 600 grams of kumquats. Fill up the kumquat with the warm water and add a little bit of salt. Washing with the salt water will remove most of the pesticide residues on the surface of the fruits. Remove the stem from the kumquats and wash it cleanly. We will keep the seed and peel of the kumquats. They provide a small amount of the omega-3. Put all the kumquats into the small saucepan. Cover the fruits with cold water and bring to a boil. Cook for about 2 minutes to remove the bitterness from the kumquats. Drain the kumquats. Prepare a bowl of cold water to cool down the kumquats. This step will maintain the texture of the kumquats. After cooling down, use a knife to cut a crust on top of the kumquats. This will help the syrup go into the kumquats. You don't need to cut a crust when you see the kumquats are open. Meanwhile, prepare 5 to 6 lemon slices and a non-stick saucepan. Using a non-stick saucepan prevents the syrup from sticking. Prepare 500 grams of water and 150 grams of rock sugar and turn to high heat. Bring to a boil until all the rock sugar are dissolved. Now put in the lemon slices and all the kumquats. Adding lemon slices will bring up tartness and balance the dish. Give it a quick stir and bring it to boil again. When the syrup is boiling again, reduce the heat to medium-low heat. Cook the kumquats into the syrup and simmer for about 30 minutes. Cook until you see the syrup reduced by half, and then lower the heat. Keep cooking until you don't see any liquid. For this step, please use a spatula and keep stirring. This will prevent it from getting burnt. If you like more syrup, cook it less. After 15 minutes of cooking and stirring, it will look like this. The candied kumquats are done. Cool and store the kumquats in a glass jar. Fruits and syrup will keep in the refrigerator for 3 months. Kumquats are especially notable for their rich supply of vitamin C and fiber. In fact, you get more fiber in a serving than most other fresh fruits. We can't get enough of these delicious candied kumquats. You can mix it with yogurt, or you can drop them into a cup of tea, or you can toss it with a salad. Whatever you put it in, it will surely be a tasty addition. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.